Tableau Server and Tableau Cloud offer integration with the Tableau app for Slack, allowing your team to collaborate more efficiently. With this integration, you can easily share Tableau snapshots, search for Tableau content, and receive important notifications about your data directly within your Slack workspace. In this video, we will walk through 3 key steps to connect your Tableau site to Slack. Step 1. The Slack Workspace Administrator will begin by creating a private Slack application on the Slack API platform. Step 2. The Tableau Server Administrator will then use the app information to add an OAuth client. Step 3. Finally, we will connect your Tableau site to Slack. Let's take it step by step and activate the Slack Workspace integration with your Tableau server. Before creating the Tableau app for Slack, you'll first need to have a Slack workspace. If you already have one, you can skip this step. At least one workspace is required, since you'll install the Tableau app within that workspace later. Now, let's begin with the first step, creating a Tableau app for Slack. Start by heading over to Slack's API documentation, or simply go to api.slack.com. Once you're there, click on Create New App. Next, choose from scratch, and you'll be prompted to enter an app name. You'll also need to select the Slack workspace where this app will live. Once you've done that, click Create New App. After that, you'll be taken to the app's basic information settings. Here, you can give your app a name and fine-tune details like the description, permissions, and other settings. At this point, it's time to add some functionality. Head to the OAuth and Permissions section and scroll down to the Scopes section. Then, under Bot Token Scopes, click Add an OAuth scope. Here, you'll need to add the appropriate scopes. This will ensure your app has the necessary permissions to interact with Slack. After this, move to the OAuth and Permissions tab in the navigation menu. For the next part, select Add New Redirect URL. Here, you'll enter a fully qualified URL and make sure to append /auth add OAuth token at the end of it. Once you've set the redirect URL, go back to the Basic Information section in the navigation menu. Finally, make sure to provide the client ID, client secret, and redirect URL to your Tableau Server administrator. These details will be needed for the next part of the integration process. Next, let's move on to adding the Tableau app for Slack to your Slack workspace. Go back to the Settings section of your newly created Slack app, and you'll see an option to install the app. Click Install to add the app to your Slack workspace. Once your Slack app is installed and your workspace is set up, it's time to switch over to Tableau and integrate it with Slack. Now sign in to your Tableau site and head to the Settings page. From there, select the Integrations tab. Under the Slack Connectivity section, you'll see an option to add OAuth client. Click on it. This is where you'll enter the details you got from the Slack Workspace Administrator earlier. Specifically, you'll need to add the client ID, client secret, and redirect URL into the appropriate fields. Once you've done that, click Add OAuth Client to complete the connection. Now let's complete the final step, connecting Tableau to Slack. Once the OAuth client has been successfully added under Slack Connectivity, go ahead and select Connect to Slack. After this step, you'll be prompted to sign in to your Slack workspace. After signing in, select Allow to give your Tableau site the necessary access to the Slack workspace. In some cases, you might run into an error that blocks the connection. This can happen due to security settings on your server. If you don't see this error, you're good to go. But if you do, don't worry, there's a simple fix. To fix this connection issue, you'll need to add the Slack URL to your server's whitelist. Once that's done, just return to this step and try connecting again. With the URL whitelisted and the connection completed, your Tableau server is now successfully integrated with Slack.